Hey family, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video we're going to be making this delicious carrot cake that you see here. It's not difficult to make, you guys, so stay tuned to see how I make. And if you are new here, my name is Zainab and you are welcome to the family. Take a moment to subscribe and on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. For my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate. So let's get started. So first we're going to be preparing our carrots. We need 2 medium carrots. We have to peel and grate it. Okay, now that I'm done with carrots, I'm gonna be moving on to the dry ingredients, which is gonna be 2 cups of self-raising flour. Guys, if you don't have self-raising flour, you can use any other flour that you have. The advantage of using self-raising flour is because it comes with the baking powder in it, so you don't need to add baking powder. So yeah, so now I add in here just pinch of baking soda and some salt. In other mixing bowl, we're going to add 6 eggs. Now we're going to beat the eggs just to mix them together. So now I'm gonna be adding sugar. You can add less, you can add more, it's completely up to you. I'm adding half cup. So now I'm going to beat together until it comes nice and fluffy. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to be adding half cup of vegetable oil and I'm going to mix it together until it's well combined. Okay, while I'm mixing, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay, now I'm gonna be adding flour and mix it until it comes together. Now we're going to be adding our carrot. Now we have to continue mixing until everything comes together. Okay, now set aside and bring the baking tray. We're going to be brushing some oil before pouring our butter. Okay, the butter is in the baking tray. Now I'm going to be adding some raisins. On 108-degree oven, I'm going to bake the cake for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so it's after 20 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do is to check the cake. If this skew come out clean, your cake is done. If not, if you wipe it like this with fingers and your fingers are coming wet, that means your cake is still need to be baked. So that's it for today guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, share this video with family and friends, and comment down below, tell me your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.